Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Jimmy Grapponi here with Realty One Group Revolution, and I'm super excited. I've got a new listing to share with you today on our featured properties of the day. This one's located at 7083 Meyer Road in Fort Mill, South Carolina. 4 bedroom, 4 bath house, 3,374 square feet. And I'm going to go ahead and share the screen with you right now so that we can take a tour of this home together. All right, so let's check this thing out. So this house is located at 7083 Meyer Road, Fort Mill, South Carolina, 29715. It's got 4 bedrooms, 4 baths, 3,374 square feet. And we're going to go ahead and take a tour of this property. All right. So just to let you know, this property is listed by Realty One Group Revolution. The listing agent is the Andonian Group, so andoniangroup@gmail.com. So while I am not the actual listing agent, this listing is listed by my firm, or the firm that I'm with, Realty One Group Revolution, and I'd be happy to work with you as a buyer on this home or any other property as well. And I am a licensed realtor in North and South Carolina. Work with home buyers and home sellers all the time. All right, so this house is listed for $555,000. In the description, it says a stunning 4 bedroom, 3.5 bath house, 3,374 square feet, greeted by an open and inviting floor plan with lots of natural light. Lower level has hardwood floors. Kitchen has stainless steel appliances, granite counters, and ample storage space. The living room is perfect for entertaining guests or relaxing with family. Bedrooms are generously sized and offer plenty of closet space. Located in the highly desirable Fort Mill School District, home is just minutes away from schools, parks, shopping centers, and restaurants. And the seller is offering an $800 home warranty to the buyer. Estimated monthly mortgage calculator on this one. So if you put 20% down, 5% interest rate, which interest rates are generally a little bit higher right now, but if you had a 5% rate, you'd be looking at about 2,383 monthly payment, not counting your taxes, insurance, and homeowners dues. Let's take a look at the map here and see exactly where it's located. So I'm going to zoom out a little bit if I can here. So this looks like this is Highway 77 right here. This is Route 21, and then here's Route 460. So it's actually just inside the North Carolina, South Carolina state line in South Carolina. If you go on my website, jimmygrapponirealtor.com, you're going to see some other properties as well. So these are other similar properties that are currently on the market. So without further ado, let's actually take a look at the house. And I'm looking at this one for the first time myself, so you're going to get my real-time reactions on this video here. So, all right, so here's the front of the house. Looks like it's got a 2-car garage, pretty flat driveway, pretty flat yard as well, from what I can tell in the front yard. Looks like it has an architectural shingle roof and vinyl siding on it. Well covered front porch, it looks like as well. And let's see, next picture. Yep, you got a little overhang, porch overhang. They've got some bistro chairs and a little table sitting up there. So if you want to hang out and have some coffee in the morning. There's a picture of the back. So it looks like the backyard does kind of slope. Oh, hold up. I didn't realize this here. It didn't say it said 2 stories. It didn't say 2 stories and a basement. But I'm looking at these pictures, these windows down here. Looks like this is gonna be a basement house as well. All right. So, and then the backyard, you can just kind of see the side. So it kind of backs up to the woods, but there is a deck on the back as well. All right, so coming in the house, this is going to be the view from the entryway. I see some over here on the right-hand side. I see some barn doors. Probably going to be an office or something back behind there. Over to the left, you've got, I'm guessing this is going to be the dining room because it's accessible to the kitchen. I like these arched doorways. You can see it's got arched doorways throughout. I see crown molding throughout the foyer, going down the hallway. So that's always nice too. That's a nice added feature. Give the house some more character. So yeah, this is going to be the formal dining room. So you come in the house and to the left, you got the formal dining room right here. Looks like, I don't know if this is paint or wallpaper. It's either textured paint or wallpaper that they have in here to give it some extra texture, if you will. All right, this looks like the family room right here, located kind of off of the kitchen area. crown molding in there as well. So like I said, lots of crown molding. And they even have like coffered seal, or not coffered ceilings, but they have posts, it looks like, going across in one of these rooms, which we'll get to in just a second. All right, so another picture of the family room, it looks like, going into the kitchen. Okay, so the kitchen has these architectural beams going across as well. We'll get in that room here pretty soon. All right, here we go. All right, so this is the kitchen and the breakfast area. So it's like a semi-open floor plan. So you can see back here in the back, the dining room is separate from your main living area right here, but it's very accessible to the kitchen. It's right here by the eating area, the breakfast area, a lot of people call it. And then you can be in the kitchen and you can be interacting with people in the great room, family room, den, whatever you want to call it as well. I always talk about, like, when you have people over to watch the football game and hanging out, people are going to want to be in here watching the game. Some people might not be as interested in the game. They're going to be in here in the kitchen, hanging out and talking, or you might have your food set up in here. So you can walk over here and get your food without losing track of what's going on in the main room there. Okay, so is this a different room? This looks like a different room than, no, okay, my bad. Yeah, this is this is the living room, family room, den, whatever you want to call it again. All right, here's a view of the kitchen from the kitchen sink. So it looks like it has lots of cabinets, stainless steel appliances, you can see. And again, it has these decorative beams here. They've added some pendant lighting as well. These are pretty cool lights. Haven't seen ones exactly like this before. And the beams are blue. So they've added they really customized it here. If blue is not your style, I'm sure you could stain them or paint them to match the cabinets, change that look up a little bit. Or if you like blue, just keep it how it is. So the kitchen here, you've got a gas range stove, built-in microwave. The sink is built into this island over here. And they've got a little bar right here. So you got some stools. It's a little breakfast bar, we call that. Another view of the kitchen. Here's the dining room. And the dining room again. All right, this looks like it's gonna be upstairs. So this is at the top of the landing area. This is like a little loft right here. So they've got a desk set up. So it doesn't look like it's super large from this picture, but it is usable space, sort of like a landing area. But like I said, they got a desk in here. You can probably put a little TV on the wall, a little couch if you wanted to have that as a second area to hang out and watch TV. So this is gonna be on the second floor as well. This is gonna be a secondary hallway bathroom. That looks like a secondary bedroom right there. That looks like, okay, so there's another bathroom, another full bath. There's a closet in here as well. Whoops, next picture, we skipped one. Let's go back. Okay, so here's another, this is the third secondary bedroom. So remember, it said 4 bedrooms. So those are the first 3 bedrooms. And then we're going to get to the primary bedroom right here, which you can see is the largest bedroom in the house. All right, they've got a little bit of exercise equipment set up in here. As you can see, it's a spacious room, lots of windows as well. So you get lots of natural light. Looks like it probably looks out the backyard. So you can see these trees through the windows as well. And then this is downstairs somewhere. This might be that basement. I'm thinking it is. It looks almost like I can see an air conditioning unit out here and in the back. So this looks to be like a finished basement right here. So as you come down, they've got another full bath down here. Another room that's being used as a bedroom. May not have any closets in there, so it doesn't look like they're claiming that as a bedroom. And then you got this rear deck coming off. So this is coming off of the main level. You got the steps that take you down to the lower level there. So cool. All right, well, that's a look at this property right here. Let me zoom back out. So again, so you have the information on this house. Address is 7083 Meyer Road, Fort Mill, South Carolina, 29715. Currently listed for $555,000. So if you're interested in this particular home, certainly reach out to me. I'd love to be able to answer any questions for you. And if you're an interested buyer, we could always certainly schedule an appointment to show this house as well. So I always work with qualified buyers, home buyers and sellers, again, in North Carolina and South Carolina. So you can contact me directly, jimmygrapponirealtor@gmail.com. You can call or text me at 313-8514. I hope you enjoyed the tour of this home, and I look forward to seeing you on a future video. All right, take care.